Following the success of the Flip 1 and 2, Samsung is expanding its range of 85-inch touch displays, perfect for classrooms and meetings. The Samsung Flip 85-inch is based on the 55-inch and 65-inch models. The display boasts a 4K resolution screen and 10-point multi-touch screen for use with either your finger or a stylus. As well as a popular feature such as downloadable templates, it comes with an integrated web browser too. Comparing the 55-inch to the 65-inch, the 65-inch model is often used in meeting rooms combined with video conferencing systems. The 85-inch will also be perfectly suited to being at the center of large meeting rooms. While the 55-inch can be used in both landscape and portrait format, the new 85-inch model only works in landscape mode. You will find on our website many compatible wall, stand and rollable mounts. We recommend a height adjustable mobile stand. The frame of the new 85-inch is made of metal. In addition to an attractive design, this also guarantees excellent stability and robustness with regular use. The connectivity possibilities are excellent. They are available on both the front and the rear of the screen, giving you quick and easy access to your documents, for example via a USB stick. Wireless connection via Miracast is also available. This allows you to easily connect your laptop, tablet or phone. Even the touch function on the screen remains active. Via the import menu, you have access to the various connection options of the display, like the Samsung Workspace, with which you can directly access the Microsoft Office 365 cloud and thus work on your documents or start a presentation. You can also access the export function, with which you can send your notes by email or save them on your USB stick. The integrated web browser will allow you to do quick online searches. You can also connect an external keyboard and mouse using the screen's Bluetooth function. Another very useful function is the use of note-taking mode on any website. You can then save your notes and access them at any time. For security and privacy, you can save your notes and documents with a personalized 6-digit security code. Samsung also provides many forms and templates. You can use the existing templates or create your own, for example, to edit a timetable for your classroom or to do a list for your projects. The brush mode is also present and will allow you to express your creativity. You can choose between 2 paint techniques for your creations. The Samsung Flip is perfectly suited for the use in the field of visual creations or for art classes in the teaching environment. In addition to the creative possibilities, collaborative work is possible thanks to the size of the display and that multi-touch technology, allowing up to 10 people to work at the same time. This feature is appreciated for project management in companies or for use in schools. The Samsung Flip 2 WM85R is a successful expansion of the Flip range. It includes the practical and popular functions of the existing models, such as the wireless connection via Miracast, the popular brush function, and the integrated web browser. In addition, the new Samsung Flip 2 with its 85-inch screen offers you a large surface for collaborative work in schools or at work. With the development of the Flip 2 range, Samsung offers interactive screens for all sizes of meeting rooms, with features that are perfectly suited to the day-to-day needs of collaborative work. The Samsung Flip 2 85-inch, as well as many Samsung professional monitors, are available on our website, visunext.co.uk. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us by email, phone, or by live chat. See you soon at visunext.